Have you been stressed? How are you when you are stressed? Actually, it's not okay for humans to be stressed, right? But some plants like succulents and cacti, they are at their best when they are stressed. Sana all. Sana lahat ng tao pag nai-stress gumaganda. How I wish that humans also, when they are stressed, they become beautiful. Humans have different strategies or different ways on how to cope with stress. Okay, some eat a lot, some don't eat, some sleep a lot, some don't sleep or cannot sleep. Okay, how about our cacti or succulents? How are they when they are stressed? Right? So, I have here a Rhipsalis romulosa, but before I show you, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay. Click the notification bell. Alright? Thank you so much. We have here a kind of Rhipsalis. It is the Rhipsalis romulosa. So, actually, this is stressed. That is why it is color red. See, it's beautiful. I find it beautiful when it is stressed. Or I first saw this plant, I am very much attracted to it, especially the pearls attached to it. See, those are the flowers actually. Actually, you can propagate that one, but of course it will take so long. Alright, so this one, when I propagate this one, I just cut the stems, or yeah, this part, or this one, one leaf, and then you propagate it. So beautiful. Every morning I see this one, it makes me smile and happy. Right? So how I wish that humans also are, beautiful when they are stressed. So actually, humans can cope with stress. We have different ways on how to cope stress. So for me, how I cope my stress, I do gardening and look at the flowers. Oh, so this is a kind of cacti, a kind of hanging cacti. Look at that. So this is the Rhipsalis. Again, is the same with the red one, but this is not the one not stressed. See, look at that. So it was accidentally cut, but then you see, I can see some roots. Oh, we can just plant this one there. So this one, oh, so it's not stressed, so it's full green. Okay, so you can now see the difference. Still, we have the pearls hanging. Wait, it's not being focused. There. See the difference of the two, the stressed and the unstressed. So, how do we achieve stressed Rhipsalis? How do we make it red leaves? Okay, first thing is that you expose them to full sun. An area wherein they receive 6 hours to 8 hours of sun, and then water them every other week. That works. But then if you find your Rhipsalis wrinkled, that means that they are dehydrated already. So be careful in doing that. The best thing to do when you put them in full sun, like 8 hours of sunlight, at least you can water them once a week, especially in lowlands, okay? So that your Rhipsalis will not be dehydrated, okay? So the important thing there is that you expose them in a full sun, 6 hours to 8 hours of sunlight, okay? Actually, we can stress our Rhipsalis inside a greenhouse. So when they are inside the greenhouse with the net covering and the plastic covering, they can also turn red, but you water them every other week, or every 2 weeks, or once a month. Okay. The trick is that the area should receive 6 hours of 8 hours of sunlight, even though they are inside the greenhouse. My green Rhipsalis actually is inside the greenhouse. So they just receive like 4 hours of sunlight, and I water it every other week. Okay. So sometimes during rainy season that the humidity is very high, I water my Rhipsalis like once a month. All right. So they thrive. They are still living. Okay. So what about the soil, Hardinerang Nanay? When it comes to soil, it's very normal for succulents and cacti to thrive well in gritty soil, like 30% of pumice. Some will do it 70%, some will do it 60% of pumice. But I think 30% of pumice will do, and then add some, if you don't have pumice, you can add coarse river sand. Use the river sand because it's not salty. Okay, so it's very simple to stress your succulents and cacti exposed to longer sun exposure, and watering also. Watering should not be every day, should not be twice a day. So that's it. As I always say, that watering depends on the sunlight exposure. Okay, so actually there are a lot of Rhipsalis out there. I have another one here. It's very long. I'm waiting for it to be longer. So beautiful. I'm so in love with it. How much more if they have more pearls? Okay, so is there more pearls? I think it's the anthers. It's on the other side. So we have the pearls there. So cute if they have all the pearls hanging with them. So that's it. That's why I'm so in love with this plant. So amazing. It has no leaves, but then so beautiful. See, the mistletoe cactus. All cacti are succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. So that's it for today, mga garden. So this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Tiinog kabasanmuan. Pan-like kayo, pan-comment kayo. Click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay.
Thank you.